welcome to the channel again. Today we're gonna do some work on the Mustang, because Wayne had bought the car, installed a Flowmaster exhaust, and they put it on. Peter's gonna explain later on in the video why we have to fix the exhaust, but basically there's one pipe that's actually sticking out more than the other one, and the other one's like way back pushed, so we're actually gonna fix that today. And on with the video. Just waiting for Mr. Peter to move his Evo. As you guys saw in the other video, the twin loop mufflers, they do sound good. And of course we do have still those painted rims, spray painted rims. Here he goes. Hi, Peter. Hello. What's going on, Peter?
Well, we're gonna fix what's all fucked up on your car.
I tried to explain on my way here what we're gonna do, but I'm not a mechanic.
One exhaust tip is like, heh, and the other one's like, heh. So we're gonna make them, heh.
That's basically what I said.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Pull the car in the shops. Big. Good there?
Yep.
So while Peter's gone to put some clothes on, I will actually explain what's wrong with this exhaust. So, I don't know if you can see in the video, but this pipe is more in than the other one. You can probably see. So this is like sticking out. The other one, no. Oh, you don't want to fuck your hair up. Okay, so what are we doing here?
Waiting for the compressor to turn on. And I'm gonna cut 3 tacks way up here that I'm not 100% sure why they did this. But they tacked the exhaust 3 times anyways, probably to stop it from moving.
This right here then?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. One's really close to the fuel tank, which is gonna be a little stressful. And then after that, I'm gonna take clamp off, heat it up, and then I'm gonna hit it with a hammer here. And it's gonna go, ha! And then this is gonna be the same as over here.
Yeah, because the hanger is not
like that. Big gap. No gap. Again, coming back here. Big gap. No gap. Which equals crooked as fuck exhaust tips.
Thank you, Ford. Wasn't Flowmaster's fault.
Wasn't Flowmaster's fault.
If Flowmaster's watching, I'm sorry.
Wasn't Flowmaster's fault. They make a very nice exhaust. This is aggressive as hell, and I'm not 100% sure it's legal. Technically, that's a muffler, I guess, if you want to call it resonator muffler. Yeah. And then there's pretty much nothing else other than the big gold stock Kyla converters and the really skinny runners from the headers. They're still tubular though, kind of nice. Very well done for it. But not sure I'm a fan of this. And the compressor's on.
All right, we're good to go. One done. 2 more to go.
Yeah. Yeah, the stressful ones. Oh my god, this guy is man. All done.
All done? She's good to go?
I don't know, now we gotta lube her up. Lube her up. And then we're gonna
As you see here, we are editing the movie that was supposed to be on the channel, the twin loop mufflers that we're talking about on that Evo.
Yes.
It's getting edited while Peter's working on the car.
It's called multitasking.
Yeah.
We're getting good at it. So here's the plan, folks. I'm gonna move this exhaust out, and then because we're not sure why it was tacked, it's gonna get tacked again. But I'm not gonna tack it. Gab's not gonna tack it. My wife is gonna tack it.
Awesome.
That is how easy these exhausts are to put on.
Because we all know that I can't do shit on cars, so I'm not a big mechanic. I do editing. I can change tires, I can change oil, but can't do weld. What happened here?
Well, the two only rusty things on your car broke. Well, one of the two.
Except the diff.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't understand this. Somebody answer me this question. 12,000 kilometers on the car. The whole underneath of the car is like you could eat off of it.
The diff is rusted.
Why does the diff look like that? Like, I get it. The clamp broke. It sucks. I broke it.
That's okay.
I'm gonna fix it though. So we're beating it with a hammer.
Jeremy Clarkson style.
And I think I'm overqualified.
Oh, okay. You want me to do it?
I want you to hit it with a hammer.
So where am I?
Right there. On the clamp. Hit the clamp. Yeah, beat that clamp. Put your purse down.
Hey, what?
Put your purse down.
What do you mean my purse down?
Hit it harder.
My purse. Okay. Well, thanks to me for dropping my purse.
You put his purse down and he hit the hammer a few times, and
then it fit.
Like I told you, now they're flush. We had to move the exhaust out. A little less than an inch to be perfect out back, but now it looks good.
Can't stand.
And yeah, my wife's gonna tack it up now, and then we're gonna put the clamp back on it, and then you'll be able to make loud noises and look right. So just to show how good Lincoln Electric stuff is with their new Power MIG 210 MP. Big shout out to Lincoln, they make beautiful pieces of kit. The welder's all set up. She's grounded. Go ahead, hun, tack her up.
Did good? Well, I have to say thanks to your wife, Peter.
Yeah, you will.
I was actually very surprised. She did pretty good, eh?
Decent.
That's awesome, man. That's perfect.
It's decent. Big shout out to Lincoln still.
Yeah.
Make beautiful pieces of equipment.
And now my exhaust is straight.
Anybody can be a fabricator if you spend enough money on that welder.
They just have to drop their purse and
Pretty much.
hammer down, eh?
Hammer down. I like the smell of this.
She's done now. She's done now.
Yes, it is.
Now Ford just has to replace my
Rear ball joint.
because it's bad right now. 12,000 kilometers, it's done.
Apparently it's a rear ball joint. I say it's shock valve.
Anyways, that's gonna do it for today, folks. We actually
We'll get the shot
fixed
back.
my exhaust. Yeah, we'll get the shot. What?
Now that it's like right on both sides and it sticks out just nicely.
Yeah, no, it's perfect now, man. Thank you, Peter. So, as I was saying, we'll see you next time on Piston Junkies 302. Subscribe if you have done so already. Give it a big thumbs up. And we'll see you next time.